Okay, BODMAS, BODMAS. Okay, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. S stands for subtraction. See, most of the students will get confused in this one solving the problem. If you want to take, you can take this. Addition and subtraction. Most of the students, if a question has been given to you 5, 2 minus 3 plus 6 divided 3 of 3. If it is given like this, most of the students, they are unable to solve the problem. They are unable to solve it. They can solve, they will solve the problem, but the answer will get wrong. Answer will get wrong. Why the answer will get wrong? Because in this one you are going to use the BODMAS rule. In this one you are going to use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, nothing but first you have to check the bracket. Is there any bracket in this one? Yes, this one is the bracket. First, in the bracket you should solve. In the bracket, if you find OF off, do you find any OF off in this bracket? No. Do you find any division in this one? Yes, division. 3 1 the 3 2 the 5, 2 minus 3 plus 2 of 3, division. Do you find any multiplication in this one? No. Any addition? Yes, go for the addition. 5, 2, 3 plus 2, 5 of 3. Now, do you find any subtraction after this one? Yes, this is the subtraction. 5 into 2 minus 3, how much it will be? 2 minus 5, minus 3 of 3. Finish. Now, after this, OF off is multiplication. 5 into minus 9. Now, 5 9 how much it will be? 45. Minus 8 minus 45. This is the answer. Understood? In this way, you have to do the problem. What we have to do? First of all, we should check the bracket. Then OF off. Then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition. Then go for the subtraction. Now we will see the problem by using the fraction. Okay, by using the fraction, we will see the problem. See, 5 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 6 divided 2 of 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Now, 5 by 2, it remains like that only. Then go for the bracket. Do you find any OF off in the bracket? No. Then do you find any division in the bracket? Yes. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 3 divided, finish, division finish, divide, finish, of 3 into 5. Should not solve, wait for some time. Okay. Now division finish. Now do you find any multiplication in the bracket? There is no multiplication. Go for the addition. 5 by 2. Now see, in this addition, is it like or unlike? Unlike. Unlike should be converted to like fraction. So how much? 3. Take the LCM of 2 comma 3. 2 1s are 3 as it is. 3 1s are. Okay. LCM of 2 comma 3 is how much? 2 3s are 6. Now 4 by 3 minus 3. You can solve this 3 with this one, no problem. But for your better understanding, I am solving separately. Okay. Which number should multiply to this 2 to make it 6? 3 by 3. Here 2 by 2. Now 5 by 2, 3 3 is 9 by 6 plus 8 by 6 minus 3 by 1 of 3 into 5. Nothing remains, always it will be 1. Now 5 by 2, 9 plus 8, how much it will be? 17 by 6 minus 3 by 1 of 3 into 5. Now see here, addition finished. What remain? Subtraction. Go for the subtraction. 5 by 2, 17 by 6 minus 3 by 1 into 6 by 6 of 3 into 5. Why should I multiply and divide with 6? Because the LCM is 6. Now 5 by 2 remain as it is. 17 minus 3 6 18 by 6 of 3 into 5. Now 5 by 2, 17 minus 18 minus 1 by 6 of 3 into 5. 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5. First OF, this one you should solve. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are. 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Now 5 1s are 5 minus 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 5 are how much it will be? 25 by 5 5 are 25 by 4. 4 with 25. 4 6 are how much it will be? 24. What remains? 1. That is minus 6 1 by 4. Minus 6 1 by 4. This is the complete answer. Remember, this is most important board maths rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It is most important for you. If you are able to understand this one, then the problem will be very easy for you. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Try one problem. 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 of 3. Take this problem and try this at your home and check the answer. After getting the resultant answer, please give a reply in the comment box. Thank you.